y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren. This is Kelsey. She is my boyfriend's sister. We're basically already sister-in-laws, even though it's not on paper, but pretty much. So today we are filming a get ready with us. We're just gonna be doing our hair and makeup because we're going to be filming another video. So I thought it'd be fun just to film us getting ready, seeing what products we use. This is just like a very basic get ready with us. So we show you everything that we're using and it'll all be linked down below. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yeah, keep on watching. We look super great, but we are obviously filming our get ready with us. So we're gonna be doing our makeup and hair, which we'll get this stuff in a second. So I am using heart shape tape. I am in the color 22 in light neutral.
And I'm using the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer in the shade Hickory.
Woo woo. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying this under my eyes and then on some problem areas. So my entire face. It's one problem. My next step, I'm going to be putting on Bare Minerals foundation, and Kelsey is just like 20 times prettier than me, so she doesn't need foundation.
Whatever.
She's going to be putting on bronzer. What bronzer do you got?
I have the matte bronzer. It's the it's actually the bronzer and highlighter. And the only reason I bought it was because when it came, it had stars up here, but they're kind of gone now. So but it's good. Y'all should buy it.
Bronze goddess. Gotta be brown, gotta be brown. So we got our ears pierced yesterday. I got my second hole. She got her third hole. I don't have my first. I should have put actual earrings in, but it's okay.
It's highlighter.
Highlighter. Okay, so I'm using a new product. Super exciting. I just got these yesterday. This is the Glossier Cloud Paint. This is in the color Beam, and it is a peachy color. So this is like a tinted cheek color. I bought it for the summertime to try out as it's a cream blush from Glossier. So we're gonna try it out. Also got Storm, which is a deep rose color. This one needs a little more. And I was watching a girl on YouTube who did a summer tutorial with it and was like, I need them. They were $18, but on the Glossier website, if you buy two, it's a discount. So I got two of them. And I really like them.
I might have to go and get
Yeah, girl.
Sorry, just got a brush, you know.
Now I'm putting on highlight. I use a MAC highlight, and this is in Soft and Gentle. It's one of their mineralized skin finishes, and I'm using a Morphe M530 to apply.
Let's get this highlighter out. We'll mix both of them.
Oh yeah. Make them haters blind, y'all. Make them blind.
I love this brush. Literally the best brush ever.
What is it from? Oh, Morphe. I love Morphe brushes. I'm just doing a little bit of brows. So I'm going in with Benefit's Brow. I'm really only just using it for the comb. And then the main color is gonna be the Anastasia Brow Gel.
I'm doing my brows too, and I'm using the Morph palette.
Oh yeah. I have 2 more steps left. I just have mascara and lipstick.
All I have is a lip gloss, and I'm gonna put concealer around my eyebrows a little bit to kind of hide some of the funky hairs going on.
She has lashes, so she doesn't have to worry about mascara.
I don't.
Mascara is done. But my last step is the Tarte of the Sea lipstick, and this is in the color Rum Punch. And it's just a pretty nude.
Last step, going to use this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It's good stuff.
Does it like tingle?
Yes, when I first got it, literally thought my lips were gonna fall off, no lie.
But you have lip injections, don't you?
Yes, but
Do
when
you
I
like
first,
them?
yes, definitely worth it. But when I did this helps a little bit, but lip injections.
Alright, so now we're gonna go and do our hair. I am straightening the tops like I mentioned before, and Kelsey is going to be using my crimper and crimping her hair. She's never done it before, so I'm kind of gonna be like talking her through how to do it. So yeah, I would section your hair off. Okay, so the trick with this is to make the waves flow. So like you're going to clamp down starting at the top, and then when you move it down, you want the last wave when you move it down to go into the first. So like you clamp it, and then when you move it down, like, let me show you.
Here, I'll let you do it, please.
once you get to your like front pieces of your hair, you have to do something a little bit different. So just let me know when you're there.
I'm trying to do bigger sections since this thing is like gigantic.
Yeah, whenever your hair's shorter,
It's easy.
it's easier to do this big sections. Yeah. Let us know if Kelsey should be brunette or blonde. I like dark hair personally because I think it is healthier for your hair for sure.
I agree with that. I will say, like, when I went dark, my hair has literally gotten so much thicker and grown so much.
Yeah.
It looks cute. I like it. I like it a lot.
It's only like $30 on Amazon.
Really? I'm gonna have to buy me one because it's definitely a new look.
It's a look. And now I am taking my curling iron, also shown in the How I Curl My Hair video from Revlon. And I'm gonna be curling the bottoms of my hair. Minor technical difficulties. Okay, so split it down the middle, like in the back.
Oh.
So like start from the back and work your way forward.
No, I had a gray hair once. I'm not even kidding you.
Was it from stress though?
I'm sure, I don't know, but I cried.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Do you still tan in a bed?
As of a couple days ago, yes.
Do you stop for a little bit?
Yes, I only, when I have to pay, like, I know it's bad, so like when I tan in a tanning bed, I only do it for like a month, and then that's it, and I don't do it for a while, like 6 months.
Yeah.
So I try to like limit the amount.
I get freckles so easily.
I have so many freckles, like it's insane. Everyone's like, oh, your freckles are cute. I'm like, you can have them.
Take them, girl. Yeah, whenever I box dyed my hair last, I did, the color was called Cocoa Bean Darkest Brown. And it looked pretty dark, but I feel like it's kind of faded. I don't know.
I feel like it faded some, but I really like the color it is though.
I probably wash my hair once every 3 days.
Mine's like every day, it's bad.
Really?
This is like my natural hair color. I mean hair
Style,
yeah. That's the word I was looking for. I just like left my brain there for a minute.
Okay. Thank y'all so much for watching our Get Ready with us. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's anything else you would like to see. Leave a comment and subscribe down below. Much appreciated. Look, it's a look, y'all. Everything that we use will be linked below. If there is a link or if it's still available online, I'll have it in the description box for you to go check it out. Bye.
Bye.